How to add mobile data to control center on your iPhone. To add mobile data to the control center in your iOS 18, this video is a short guide for you. First of all, open Settings on your device. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you will see Control Center option. Now, in the list of the controls, locate mobile data and then tap the green plus icon next to it. Then it will be added to your control center. If you want to rearrange the order of icons in the control center, hold and drag the three-line icon the next to mobile data to adjust its position. In this way, you can easily add mobile data to control center on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.